नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन बेटे, अगेन आइडेंटिफाई ए बी सी डी इन द फॉलोइंग, राइट डाउन it is 2 bromo butane, then you will give alcoholic QH, then you will get A, then you will B, C, and D. Let us see what are the reagents they are giving us. They are giving us bromine, then they are giving us alcoholic QH, then they are giving us HD2 positive in the presence of an acid, and water. हाँ जी, करके देखो बेटे, then I'll explain. What is alcoholic QH doing here? Alcoholic QH is the reagent which cause elimination. Which cause elimination. As it acts as a base, it takes away H from here and thus cause elimination. So you will get A. What you will get A? A as alkene. A as alkene. Then you have to add bromine into it. Br2. So you have to add bromine into it. Add down bromine into it. So bromine will add across double bond. So next is our B. Means you will get 1, 2, 4 dibromobutane. Now here also there was alcoholic QH and here also there is alcoholic QH. Means alcoholic QH cause elimination. So now we are having 2 bromine. So 2 bromine will be eliminated. Two bromine will be eliminated as, now I am writing it. So here only. So when 2 bromine will be eliminated, कैसे eliminate होगी? ये H है. So bromine will move from here and ये वाला H double bond provide करके जाएगा. This bromine will be moved from here and this H will be providing a bond. So you will get 2 bonds here. It will be CH, C double bond, triple bond, CH3. So this will be our C product. This will be our C product. And now the reagent was, next reagent was, I am erasing now this one. To obtain D product, next reagent was Hg, H plus, that is H2SO4 and water. This reagent basically gives us water and thus cause hydration. When we give water to it, तो across double triple bond, तो ये water का जो OH नेगेटिव है वो अपना बॉन्ड लेके आएगा, यहाँ लग जाएगा, और H प्लस will use this bond and will be get attached to this carbon. So you will get H here, I have already written, and here you will get OH. Now this is beta not the product. You will write here like this, but this is not the product. Why it is not the product? See it carefully. It is enolic form. Enol means having double bond and all both. So it is enolic form. Enolic form get tautomerized into keto form. It will get tautomerized into keto form, forming an acetone. Okay. So your D product will be this ketone rather than this. So you will not write this when you will be asked in the exam. This will tautomerize into D product and this will be your answer as a D. So what the point? Should we move further? Say yes or no? Hurry up, say yes or no. Then I should move further. Okay. Next. So you have to complete the following reaction. I am writing few of the reaction. You have to complete that. Okay. Let us see the reaction first. Write down tertiary butyl bromide. Tertiary butyl bromide. In presence of water, you are heating it. Presence of water, you are heating it. Next reaction. I am writing reaction first and then I will tell you the product. If you want to name it, you can name it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It is 4-methyl. Is Amit? No, is Amit in your class? Name it. Hurry up. So it is 2 sodium methoxide and you will be again heating it or you are providing 443 Kelvin temperature. Okay, what is the name of the compound? Hurry up. Hanji Bhavneet, what is the name of the compound? 4-methyl. Bromine is present on the third position. Bromo. 3. Okay, very good. 3 bromo, 2 methyl pentane. So we can say 3 bromo as in the alphabet bromine is coming before 4 methyl pentane. So now complete the reactions. Both of the reactions you must complete. See, this reaction is nothing but a nucleophilic substitution again. Generally, for the nucleophilic substitution, we want KOH aqueous or we want NaOH aqueous. But now we have tertiary butyl bromide. You know, tertiary butyl bromide gives us the stable carbocation, that is tertiary carbocation. And thus, this nucleophilic substitution can occur in the presence of water also. You will get alcohol as a product. Tertiary butyl alcohol as a product. Okay? Now, what is this reaction? Hurry up. The byproduct you will make yourself. What is this reaction? Here is present bromine. What is this reagent actually? When we'll take KOH alcoholic, alcoholic means we have added alcohol into it. Or when I am writing NaOH alcoholic, so we are adding alcohol into it. So actually what does form? C2H5 ONA, यही बनता होता है. तो इन्होंने NaOH अल्कोहलिक की बजाय या QH अल्कोहलिक की बजाय सोडियम इथॉक्साइड लिख दिया. तो ये भी आपने याद रखना हमेशा. You can write sodium ethoxide and this is nothing but elimination reaction. So it will get eliminated and you will be getting double bond here. So you will be getting this product as a major one and the side product you will write yourself. Write on the side product yourself. Okay? See that it's not the ester, it's the ether. It's the ether, which it is a base. एस होता है ROR. इस केस में ROR नहीं बनेगा. हाँ, NaOR लेते थे तो हम ये करते थे, पर इस केस में ये प्रोडक्ट नहीं बनेगा. क्योंकि हमने साथ में हीटिंग कर दी. जब हम हीटिंग करते हैं तो देयर विल बी अ एलिमिनेशन रेदर देन सब्स्टिट्यूशन. ये भी आपने पॉइंट्स याद रखने हैं. ये कंपीट करेंगी, देन विलियमसन सिंथेसिस नहीं होती. देयर विल बी नो विलियमसन सिंथेसिस. You will substitute rather than you will add. Remember it. Or you will eliminate rather than substitute. There will be no Williamson synthesis. They have given the temperature 443 Kelvin for you. So got the point, or should I move further? See yes or raise your hands. Okay. So next complete the reaction. Write down next one. It is chloroethane in the presence of antimony trifluoride and heating it. Right on the next also, you are taking again bromomethane and reacting with there they are giving us sodium salt of propine in presence of liquid ammonia. Which reaction is this and which one is this? Hurry up. It is better nothing but the Schwarz reaction. This is the formation of fluoride. The formation of fluoride occur with the help of Schwarz reaction. Fluorine will take the position of this. See? And it is nothing but nucleophilic substitution. This nucleophile will come here and it will get substituted to form CH3, CH2, CH2, C triple bond C, CH3. First, second is nucleophilic substitution, first is Schwarz reaction. So next question is write the main product when, write down when 246 try nitrochlorobenzene, when 246 this is 246 try nitrochlorobenzene is subjected to hydrolysis. हाँ जी बेटे again this NO2 is strong electron withdrawing group. No doubt halogenes undergo nucleophilic substitution very slow or under drastic condition. Right? You have done the Dawes process in which we have given drastic condition like high pressure, high temperature and all the stuff. But when three NO2 group are there which have strong electro-withdrawing nature, they will withdraw the electron from the benzene. And this chlorine will remove in presence of water as such on heating. So this is nothing but a Dawes process. But in Dawes process we need drastic condition as chlorine has a double bond here, sp2 reactor and all we have done yesterday also. So it will remove as such and we will get what we will get? We will get picric acid. Okay. So write down the next one. Write the main product when methyl chloride is treated with AgCN. Methyl chloride is treated with AgCN. Methyl chloride is treated with AgCN. This again a nucleophilic substitution reaction and CN we know is ambiguous nucleophile and this bond is a covalent one Now this CN will attack from this nitrogen, and thus the product we get is isocyanide rather than cyanide. The product we get is isocyanide. मैं ये first explain कर दो. कौन सा visa you are writing now? Which reaction I should explain again? Which one? Which one? Which one? CH3CH trinitrochlorobenzene. बेटे C. This is अगर हमने क्लोरीन को से फिनॉल बनानी हो तो हम क्या करते हैं? डाउस प्रोसेस नहीं करते, NaOH डालते हैं ड्रास्टिक कंडीशन देके. अब हमने ये NaOH नहीं डाला. क्यों नहीं डाला? हमने यहाँ पे 3NO2 ग्रुप डाल दिए. अब NO2 ग्रुप क्या करते हैं? दे हैव इलेक्ट्रॉन विड्रॉइंग नेचर. वो इलेक्ट्रॉन विड्रॉ कर लेते हैं यहाँ से. जब इलेक्ट्रॉन विड्रॉ कर लेंगे बेंजीन में, तो यहाँ पे जो ये न्यूक्लियोफाइल है, बेंजीन क्या जाता है? इलेक्ट्रोफिलिक सब्स्टिट्यूशन. ठीक है, बट इट इज अ न्यूक्लियोफिलिक सब्स्टिट्यूशन. जब ये बेंजीन से इलेक्ट्रॉन विड्रॉ हो जाएंगे तो यहाँ पे पॉजिटिव चार्ज की डेंसिटी बढ़ जाएगी. गेटिंग माय पॉइंट? जब पॉजिटिव चार्ज की डेंसिटी बढ़ जाएगी तो ये OH नेगेटिव अटैक कर पाएगा आसानी से. तो हमें यही रिएक्शन हम हीट करके कर सकते हैं. जब आप इसके रेजोनेटिंग स्ट्रक्चर बनाते हो, दैट मेक यू मोर क्लियर. 1 NaOH प्रेजेंट, 1 इलेक्ट्रॉन विड्रॉइंग, ड्रास्टिक कंडीशन कम हो जाएगी. इफ 2 NaOH प्रेजेंट, ड्रास्टिक कंडीशन और कम हो जाएगी. एंड इफ 3 NO2 इज प्रेजेंट और ड्रास्टिक कंडीशन कम हो जाएगी. इट डिपेंड NO2 कितनी प्रेजेंट है. दे हैव इलेक्ट्रॉन विड्रॉइंग नेचर. More electron withdrawing nature is there, more dense will be the positive charge. If more dense will be the positive charge, nucleophile is more keen to attack. Okay, so I am ending the meeting. The meeting is going to up, and tomorrow again we will practice haloalkane, haloarenes, and Monday we will take nitrogen and its compound.